Everyone thinks the best-selling toilets are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Casta Diva Elongated One-Piece Toilet. The Casta Diva Elongated One-Piece Toilet caught my eye right away with its sleek, modern design and AIDA comfort height. Priced at $259, it's a solid choice for those looking for both style and comfort. If you want a toilet that combines elegance with functionality, this is worth a serious look. This toilet solves your bathroom problems by offering a powerful siphon flush with a MAP rating of 1000, meaning it clears waste effectively without any clogs. The dual flush feature lets you choose between 1.1 GPF for liquids and 1.6 GPF for solids, conserving water while still performing excellently. With over 309 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clearly a popular option. Now, some users did mention that the installation could be tricky without professional help. Here's the thing though, if you can follow instructions and have a little DIY spirit, it's absolutely manageable. Plus, the performance and design make it a fantastic investment for your bathroom. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish yet functional toilet that meets AIDA standards. Skip this one if you prefer a basic, budget-friendly option without the height features. With its quality and efficient design, it offers great value for money. Now, if the installation challenge bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, HOROWHRST076WD Dual Flush Toilet. Next up is the HOROWHRST076WD Dual Flush Toilet, which is priced at $221.72. What grabbed my attention is its modern, sleek design that complements various styles. If you're looking for a space-saving toilet that performs well, this one deserves a closer look. It not only conserves water but also flushes efficiently. Thanks to its MAP rating of 800G with easy-to-clean features and a compact size of just 28.75 inches deep, this toilet is perfect for small spaces, making it a great choice for apartments or tiny bathrooms. And it's backed by over 194 reviews with a solid 4.5-star rating. Now, some folks mentioned it can feel a bit cramped if you're taller than average. But if you're looking for a compact design, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker. It still provides a comfortable experience without sacrificing functionality. This is perfect for you if you're tight on space but need a reliable toilet that doesn't skimp on style. Skip this if you're looking for a more elongated option. For its price and features, it offers impressive value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want smart features. Product number 3, TDH Luxury Smart Toilet. Now let's talk about the TDH Luxury Smart Toilet, priced at $379.95. This toilet grabbed my attention with its high-tech features and sleek design. If you want a toilet that does more than just flush, you need to check this one out. This toilet genuinely solves problems with its advanced vortex flushing system, using just 1.26 GPF while providing maximum cleaning power. It includes a heated seat, warm water sprayer with multiple cleaning modes, and even a foot sensor for touch-free operation. Imagine not having to touch anything in your bathroom. It's packed with features that make it not only hygienic but also convenient, meeting the needs of a modern lifestyle. Plus, it has a solid 4.5-star rating from 116 reviews. However, some users reported the need for a nearby power outlet, which might limit where you can install it. But if you have the right setup, the convenience and comfort this toilet provides is hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you love tech and want a hands-free bathroom experience. Skip this if you're looking for something basic and more traditional. Considering its unique features, the value is definitely there for those wanting a smart upgrade. Now, if the high-tech features aren't for you, the next option is a more traditional yet compact design. Product number 4, Casta Diva One-Piece Toilet. Next, we have the Casta Diva One-Piece Toilet, which retails for $289.99. I was impressed by its elegant design and AIDA height at 17.5 inches. If you're after a stylish yet functional toilet, this one is definitely worth your attention. This toilet addresses your needs with its powerful siphon jet flush and a MAP score of 1000, ensuring it handles waste effortlessly. The dual flush system, 1 GPF for liquids and 1.28 GPF for solids, helps save water, potentially cutting down your monthly bills significantly, up to 16,500 gallons per year compared to a 3.5-gallon toilet. Plus, it boasts a 4.7-star rating from 59 reviews, proving it's a well-received option. Some users pointed out that it may require a bit more maintenance to keep the bowl clean due to its design. But honestly, that's a small price to pay for the elegance it brings to your bathroom while also providing great performance. This is perfect for you if you want both style and efficiency in your bathroom. Skip this if you prefer a more basic model without the height features. Given its impressive specs, it's definitely a good investment. Now, if you're looking for something even more compact for a tiny space, the next product is just what you need. Product number 5. HOROW HWMT 8733S Small Toilet. Last but not least is the HOROW HWMT 8733S Small Toilet, priced at $197.99. I was surprised by how compact yet stylish this one-piece toilet is. If you're dealing with a really small bathroom, this could be the perfect fit. It features a dual flush system, 1.1 GPF or 1.6 GPF, allowing you to conserve water without sacrificing flush power. With a 4.1-star rating from 262 reviews, it's proven to be a reliable choice for those short on space. Some users expressed concerns about its height being a bit low, especially for taller individuals. But if you're in the market for a compact toilet that maximizes your space, this trade-off is worth considering. This is perfect for you if you need a compact toilet that doesn't compromise on performance. Skip this if you require a higher seat for comfort. For its price and utility, it presents great value for anyone with limited bathroom space. So there you have it. We've covered a range of toilets from the sleek Casta Diva models to the high-tech TDH Smart Toilet and the compact HOROW options. Each one brings its own set of features to the table, making them suitable for different needs. Whether you're looking for comfort, technology, or space-saving designs, there's definitely something here for everyone.